Hi everyone, today we are going to model the butterfly stool. Let's create a new part and save the file to your preferred location. Name the file Butterfly Stool. Create a new sketch on the right plane and go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Sketch Picture to select your image. Move the image and the adjustment bar. Adjust the key points to align with the height of the stool. And set the height to 387 mm. Then check your adjustment and finish the sketch. Next, create a new plane. Choose the right plane as a reference by offsetting 155.5 mm. Create another plane in the same way. Just check the flip offset. Create another sketch on right plane. Use spline to trace the middle profile of the stool. Adjust the spline points to fit the profile. Then create another sketch on the side plane. In the same way to use spline to trace the side profile of the stool. Create a new sketch on the other side. Use convert entities to duplicate the line. Now we have three profiles of the stool. Next, loft a surface through three profiles. And thicken the surface. Set the thickness as 10 mm. Now we get one side curved panel of the stool. Let's fillet the corners of the panel. Set the radius as 15 mm. Next, we need to create a new middle plane. First, to create an axis according to 2 points. And then create a new plane. Set the axis and the front plane as a reference. Then we mirror the panel of the stool. Remember to uncheck the Merge Solid. Okay, we now have the shape of the stool. Let's fillet all the edges of the stool. Set the radius as 2 mm and draw the fillet before the mirror, so we get the fillets on both sides. Next, we need to create a connection and holes on the stool. Create a new sketch on the middle plane and draw 3 circles. Make 3 circles equal. Set the diameter as 10 mm. Make the up circles on the created axis. Draw a line in the middle and set the up circles to be symmetric. Modify the distance by 200 and 150 mm. Next, we extrude cut the panel to both sides. Here we don't need to select the whole sketch as a contour. Just select the upper 2 circles to cut holes on both sides. Then we extrude on the same sketch. Select the circle on the bottom. Extrude to the surface of the stool on both sides. To create a new sketch on the middle plane, convert the circle from the sketch created before, and draw another circle and 2 lines. Make 2 lines be tangent to the circles. Set diameter as 60 mm. And trim the inner arcs. Next, to project the sketch to the surface, choose Project Curve, choose Sketch on Faces, select the sketch and the surface. Then we fill the surface through the curves and secant the surface by 3 mm. Remember to uncheck the merge result. Then to create a new plane, choose 2 points on the project curves and the right plane as reference. Then create a new sketch and draw a circle. Set distance as 8.5 and the diameter as 10 mm. Next, to extrude cut the hole on the panel and the connection. Then we mirror the feature to other side. And also we need to mirror the cut to add holes on another side. And combine the solids of the connection. Here we have the 3D model of this tool. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time.